Today we are going to open my big swine toy. Here's the first one. The really big one. Here's the second big spoil one, and my favorite toy, the pink one. We're gonna open these to see what swines we got. Let's start with the pink one. So I got the pink one. Ooh, the first one. Ready? Got these two, so tiny. Oh, there's more. A lot more. That lots some more. Wait, let's do it. My blue section, white section, and my purple section. Got more purple body. Silver down here. My purple and my spotlight blue. Blue spider to that. Then with pink. Let's see. Okay, this is what? Does this have any? I'm sure this has any. Put this right here. Have more. This definitely has swine because I can feel it's heavy. So I can have more tiny swine. Oh, have another pink one. Pink on. Who likes pink? Yeah. Green time. Green. Purple. Now for who says red time? Some red in the golden section. That's good. It's better. We have some more red. It's better. Yeah, we'll put yellow and done because it's the same action. There's a lot more. Some white. What's the white section? The white section definitely. The blue section has a hat. More blue time. No more blue spoons over it. Styrofoam. Probably did that at the end. The last time I did that for my quiet swine video, that popped all over the place. It's so squishy and soft. Wait, that's what's in. Have some more swine for my video. There's some paint. And whatever this is, the intersection off. There's some water and water. And some more. And some touch. More duffel. And more touch and a spoon and some pasta sticks. So we have what funny stuff. My ex over that with a spoon. I I have some more stuff. Medicine tut? That's weird. Oh, now I know why we have some tuts here. I'll tell you in a minute. More stuff? No. I believe. And by the way, some good stuff. It's beautiful brittle. Some more beautiful brittle. Just touch some. Some dewy eyes. Dewy and some sea cells. About my brother's video, he was saying about we went to the beach before. It was so fun. Birthday! Yes, and birthday. Aw, some beautiful brittle. Yeah. We got some donut brittle. So donut, it's so pretty. Smiley faces. This is green. It's a dream. Some butterflies. I knew that. More stuff. Beautiful stars, dots. There's some blue brittle. Silver, I know that. That's pink, pretty pink. And two whites here. Yes, pretty looking. How did this? Newtons! That Newtons. It's purple time. This is white, it's green. And that's all the one glass I'm talking about. And stuff. No more stuff. That's awesome. So I got all this stuff. That's a lot of stuff. Is that 1,000? I know that's no. Okay. Which one should we open first? Probably the tallest one because it's harder. And it's tall. It's taller than these. Take that sound and open by pausing. It's so dewy and stuff. Can't believe I'm actually doing this too. It's some fun fans. It's so dewy and stuff. And then stuck to the dew. So nasty and dewy. I hope you guys know how dewy this is. I can put it in my little bowl here. It's too nasty and dewy. It's so nasty. So nasty, dewy and stuff. And then he doesn't know this.
It's delivered. They're so scared.
Yeah. Wait. I'm gonna tap it's too dewy and don't mix it up. Okay, dewy. Look how dewy my hands are. Dewy. Don't have to wash my hands after my beautiful video. It's so beautiful. Had to ruin my favorite color, purple, putting it in there. By purple. Didn't purple wasn't nasty as blue. No, I knew how nasty this is. So nasty. It's so bad mix, you know. Yeah, let's do another purple. Oh, yeah, purple. Mix it. I'm not using purple. I need my stick to start around. Probably not starting yet. Dewy. I need some purple. Little in my medicine touch. It's hard to use. Okay, got this out. Use some purple. And my medicine tart. That's it. So a little bit medicine. I should do that. Sticks. Oh, watch out. You know, we need to do it at the end. Next, be careful in terms of foot. It's gone out over there. Now we realize how beautiful it is. Look, it's my swine one. Neat it up. Let's see how pretty this is. It's pretty. And don't turn fossil so I can see the beautiful it is. So beautiful. So beautiful. Mixing it up. So beautiful. I know it's so beautiful. So beautiful. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. So beautiful. What there? Didn't mix it there. It's so pretty. Sun one's here. Pass it. It's gonna be a little one. Swiney. Just didn't know what place. How did I use my hands to do it? Just doing this. So pretty. Just. Yeah, this. It's so beautiful. I wish you guys can see how beautiful this is. Hey, I'm done using my hands. Don't know how to do this. It's disgusting, dude. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, guys, I know how so soft this is. It's soft. You know how beautiful and soft this is? It's soft, beautiful, it's soft. It's my beautiful swine. Should I say my soft swine? My dad's done turn over here and feel how soft this is. Feel how soft this is. That's soft. It's so soft.
Very soft.
It's so soft. I'm gonna pat it down. My horses to pat. Say it's so soft. See? Feel it. Feel it. It's so soft. Oh, so soft. Not that soft anymore. Need some pause. See, now we got some stars and some more blue glitter on the toy. Hey, that's a lot of pretty stars. So pretty. This one's a toy video. It's titled LOL. Oh yeah, some blue. What's so dark? It's the blue he opened. I know it's the blue he opened. I know it's over here. Need that. Stars that'll find my. Is this it? I know that's it. That paddle around for us. It's going everywhere. Dumb pants. Dude, now my pants are so pretty. Have pretty pants. Mix this around. Plan on mixing it. That one pants. Now I don't have so beautiful pants. Move it around. What is that? That's all my hands. My hands are so dirty. This one's dirty. It's so soft. It's why it's the style. Where's my style? Pat, pat, pat. Pat, 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 pat. Patting time. Say guys, don't pause. Say guys, that's the last time. And yeah, it's beautifulness. It's so beautiful. I'll show you the next video coming up. Okay, the next video that's coming up is the LOLs and BOL, and she has a little bow. That's dirty. And her little room is like this, and it's beautiful. Okay, that's it. Hope you liked my video. Till then, bye.